Hi guys, so welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you could claim your Magic Eden diamonds. Magic Eden just dropped an announcement saying that you can receive the diamonds for Ethereum OGs. From starting your journey on Magic Eden and receive diamonds for activity going all the way back to 2017. Within this range from 2017 to this year, if you did trade on like your MetaMask or like on Ethereum blockchain, you could claim your diamonds. So this is the announcement, and let's see how you could get the diamonds. You can head to Magic Eden, magiceden.io NFT marketplace, and if you go to this section, which is the Ethereum section, and then if you connect your wallet, it will probably show you the link. But if you haven't, there's a button like this, so you could press it, and it will move directly to the reward section. Or else what you could do is go to magiceden.io/rewards. So this is the URL which you should use. I will add it down in the description, and this is how it looks like. Solana claim is over, and if you go to Ethereum, you can see like it shows like this. So what you have to do is you can see that I have currently chosen Solana. So what you have to do is select connect different wallet, and then you can see there are different options. So if you go to Ethereum and then press MetaMask, it will ask for your like signature. You just have to connect your wallet, and once you connect it, a button will appear saying claim diamonds. Yeah, so what you simply have to do is press claim diamonds. So when you press claim diamonds, you can see I got like 4,000 diamonds, and it also says that enjoy a bonus of 16,000 diamonds by completing quest on Magic Eden. So if you go to the stats, you can see that I have traded around 60 Ethereum, and I have made like 249 trades, and I have owned a total of 200 NFTs, plus the royalties I have paid is 1.15 in Ethereum. So if you close this, you can see like if I press this again and view these stats, you can see that there's a bonus of like 16,000 diamonds. So another problem you may have is that like how you could claim those diamonds. So in order to do this, what you have to do is like you have to keep on buying stuff on Magic Eden. If you list stuff on Magic Eden, plus if you do collection offers, you will get the remaining 16,000. So it may be different for your wallets. So like in order to get the capped amount, you will have to do some trading on Magic Eden to get the rest of them. So you can see already that I have like diamonds from the Solana airdrop and the Ethereum airdrop, which is like 25,000 right now. And I will also get an airdrop like some diamonds from the Bitcoin or the ordinals claiming period. So if you go to Wales market, you can see like Magic Eden diamonds are trading at around, let's see, yeah, it's trading at around 0.07, and you can see like 2,300 diamonds goes for $163. So it's simple, like and something else that I wanted to say you is like these diamonds will be converted to a token called NFT, dollar NFT, which is this one. Yeah, so in order to get this one, I think these will be converted to, these points will be converted to NFTs. So the price of the diamonds were like 10 cents, but there has been a little dip, but I will think like these will go back up in a day or two. So that's how the claim was, and if there's any more questions, please do feel free to like ask them in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll get back to you with another video on the ordinals diamond claim. Thank you so much for watching this video.